Oh no, it's 7:30. We are so late. David, wake up. We overslept the alarm.
What time is it? Is it already morning?
It's 7:30. Our flight to Costa Rica is at 10.
10 Lun? That gives us only 2.5 hours.
Toby! Peter! Wake up right now!
Mom, just 5 more minutes. I'm tired.
No 5 minutes today. We are going to the jungle.
Are we going to see the monkeys today?
Costa Rica! I forgot. I'm getting up.
Toby, brush your teeth. Peter, find your shoes.
I can't find my sneakers, Mom.
They were under your pillow again, little explorer.
Really? Thanks, Dad. Where is my yellow rain jacket? I need it for the forest.
It's in your bottom drawer, Toby. Hurry up!
Got it!
Now, where is my phone charger?
Passports, tickets, chargers, we have the basics.
Where are the snacks? I need food for the plane.
Right here. And I'm making coffee for us, David.
No trip without coffee. We need the caffeine.
I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Good job, Toby. You are getting organized.
I am ready. I have my car and my hat.
Peter, what about your clothes? You need shirts.
Oh, right. Clothes are important too.
Maybe Peter wants to live like a monkey on the beach.
Not funny, Toby. David, did you call the taxi?
Already did. It will be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? I haven't even combed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. We just need to go.
Nice try, honey. But I still need 1 minute.
Passports? Check. Tickets? Check.
Snacks? Check. Chargers? Double check. My monkey toy! Where is my monkey toy?
I see it. It's on the couch behind the pillow. Got it, Peter. Now let's get to the plane. That's the taxi! Everyone, grab a suitcase! This thing is heavy. What did you pack, Mom?
Just the essentials for a week in the sun.
Good morning. Going to the airport?
Yes, that's us.
Right on time.
Awesome! Yay!
Yes, please. Terminal 3. We are in a hurry.
Seatbelts on, Peter. Safety first.
I'm so excited. I've never been on a big plane. Do planes have bathrooms? I want to see one.
Yes, they have tiny bathrooms, like toy ones.
I want to try it as soon as we get on.
Not now, Peter. Wait until we are in the sky.
I see it. The airport isn't far. We have time. Mom, what will we actually see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, and lots of animals, Toby.
I want to see a real sloth.
I just want a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
You? No phone? That is impossible.
Okay, maybe one phone just for taking pictures.
And ice cream. We must eat ice cream every day.
Deal. Ice cream every day in the jungle.
You're going to love it. It's so green there.
Have you been to Costa Rica, sir?
Twice. Just don't forget the mosquito spray.
David, did you pack the mosquito spray?
Maybe? I might have to buy some at the airport.
No maybe for the passports, please. Do you have them?
Got them right here. Safe and sound.
Look, airplanes! I can see the tails!
Finally, we made it to Terminal 3. Have a great trip, folks. Watch your step. Thank you for the fast drive. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Let's find our gate! We have 90 minutes! Wow! Look at all these people! The airport is always busy in the morning.
It feels like a giant shopping mall.
There, airline counter for Costa Rica, Gate B.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
We need to check in our luggage and get our boarding passes. It means we give our passports and bags to the airline.
And then they give us a boarding pass, right?
Almost. After check-in, we have to go through security.
What is security? Do they have police?
They check your bags to make sure there are no dangerous objects.
I don't have a dangerous weapon, but I have a car.
Cars are safe, Peter. Don't worry.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
We are flying to San Jose, Costa Rica.
Very good. May I see your passports, please? Great. Any checked luggage for this flight?
This is the big one. It's very heavy.
It is 24 kilograms. That is just under the limit. Processing your check-in now. Everything is in order. You're all set. Here are your boarding passes. Gate 22, boarding at 9:30.
Mom, what is a boarding pass exactly?
It's your ticket to the sky. It shows your seat number.
Mine says window seat. I can see the clouds. I want to see the clouds too.
Why is everyone taking off their shoes? For security. They have to check everything carefully.
Even my sneakers, they are not dangerous.
Remove all metal. Watches, belts, and coins, please. Safety first. Let's put them in the bin.
Look, Mom, I'm flying already. No beeps. I am clean.
Finally, we can sit down. Coffee time!
Definitely. David, go get the coffee.
Can I have a sandwich and some fries? I want the big fries. I'm a hungry explorer.
This is so good. I'm starting to feel like I'm on vacation. Careful, Pete! Don't spill on your shirt yet! Vacation mode is already on, Toby.
Wait, did we pack the sunscreen?
I think I left it on the kitchen counter. We will burn under the tropical sun.
Don't worry. We will buy some after we land.
You always say that, David. You are a lucky man.
I am lucky because I married your mom.
Oh, stop it, Dad. No romance at the airport.
Attention, boarding for San Jose is now starting at gate 22.
That's us. We're going to Costa Rica.
Let's run to the gate.
No running in the airport, Toby. We have time.
Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight.
It's like a secret bridge to the sky. There is my seat, 14A, by the window.
The wing is so big I can see the engines.
I want to see the wing too.
You can, it's right there.
Seatbelts on, everyone. Ready for takeoff.
Please fasten your seatbelts for departure.
We're moving. The adventure is starting.
The engines are getting very loud now.
Whoa, we are going so fast.
We're in the air. Look, the ground is getting smaller.
The cars look like tiny ants.
They're doing great. I was worried Peter would be scared.
He's more curious than scared. Just like Toby. Welcome to the sky. We are at 30,000 feet.
The clouds look like cotton candy. I want to eat one. Can we open the window? No, Pete. You'll have to wait for real candy in Costa Rica.
Would you like a snack?
Yes, please. Me too.
Everything is small up here, even the cookies. What was that? Why are we bumping?
It's just turbulence, Peter. Like a bumpy road.
See, it's already over. We are safe.
We are landing shortly in San Jose.
I see the jungle. I see the ocean.
We did it! We didn't crash!
Don't say that out loud, Peter.
It smells like flowers and rain. Look, a sign that says Emmy Watson.
No, Peter, it says Smith family.
That's us, boys.
Welcome!
He wrote my name wrong. It's Emma, not Emmy. Welcome to paradise.